Welcome back to the channel, Chess for Stress. Today's daily puzzle is should I stay or should I go? November 8th, 2021. So it looks like I got my queen being attacked by a bishop. I'm gonna try to see if I'm gonna try to stay instead of go. So okay, so looks like a strategy of just keeping that bishop moving away from its attack until it's trapped. Good job. Check back each day for a new puzzle. Puzzles get harder throughout the week. G4 is correct. H5 is correct. H times G6 is correct. Puzzle solved. You can watch this video by T to understand this puzzle better. 1 minute and 37 seconds. I think in the future I'm going to start playing those videos, explanations.